The Boolean Switch Block, found in the Block Controllers section on the left side of our AlgoBuilderX menu, is a versatile component within AlgoBuilderX, allowing for flexibility in managing conditions and shaping the behavior of the strategy. This block acts as a switch, allowing you to choose between two options, true or false. This choice determines which output path of the block will be followed in your strategy: true, orange output; false, blue output. The Boolean switch is useful when you want to insert a control point in the strategy, allowing you to activate or deactivate certain conditions flexibly. Select the initial state of the block, true or false, and if necessary, the block can be made parameterizable to allow for modification within CTrader. Here are a couple of practical uses with this block. The first one is to use the Boolean switch to decide whether or not to close trades at a specific time. In this example, we have set the Boolean switch to true and parameterized the value with close trade after. Then we inserted the time filter block with a specific time, in this case, 23. Finally, we connected the close trade block. In practice, if we have open trades and the Boolean switch is set to true, all trades will be closed when it is 23. Conversely, if we had set the Boolean switch to false, the trades would remain open even after 23. Remember that if you parameterize the Boolean switch, the selection of true and false can also be modified within CTrader. In the second example, we use both outputs of the block. As we can see, there are two possible openings for a buy trade. In this case, it will be up to us to decide, through the choice within the block, true and false, which strategy to follow to open the buy trade. In conclusion, the Boolean switch block provides the flexibility to manage strategy conditions, allowing the activation or deactivation of certain actions based on the choice between true or false. Its versatility makes it valuable for adapting the strategy to different market situations and trader needs.